Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a little bit of review of this knife here that I got from Amazon. They come in this box here, which came in an Amazon bubble envelope. Inside of there, they'll be in this little case. I guess you could put this on your belt or something if you want. You know, it is a case that you can put it in, may keep it from getting too wet or something. My plan was to keep this knife in my tractor. I like having a blade in every vehicle. Some of the things about the knife, got the slide lock here. It's easy to, I can do all this with one hand. It's easy to unlock it. It's easy to click open. It's got the little quick open tab. So it has this little release here. So if you want to open it like that and then push it, it's got that extra little quick release. I like the way that when it's open, it's still not in the way. And when it's closed, it's just a very small little piece of metal that sticks out the back. So it hasn't bothered me at all. It had some features on it that I like. One is it's got this little slicer on this, so you don't have to open the knife to cut, like, let's say some string or some rope. Or it shows on Amazon that you could use it to cut, like, let's say seat belts or something of that nature. I have found that this isn't super sharp, so I did cut some thin string. I wouldn't even call it rope. Actually, I have a little piece of what I was cutting earlier. And it will cut this, but it takes a lot more force to cut it with this little cutter than it would just with the blade. So if you don't want to open the blade and you want to cut something with this, I get it, but it's probably just as quick to flip open this blade and cut it. It did come with this little metal punch at the end, which I believe it says, is for like busting glass or windows out of a car if you're like stuck in the car. I liked having that there because, basically it's a pressure point punch. So it allows you to put all the pressure that you can put all into one tiny little area, which allows you to break glass or things like that that you normally wouldn't be able to break. So I like that they just added this to that. I mean, it's good to have. It's got a clip on it if you want to wear it in your pocket. It has your standard release that's just kind of like a slide release. Now, one thing I want to say on this one is when I first got it, it wasn't locking all the way. So when you would open it up, it wasn't quite locked. It would come partially there and the knife blade wouldn't lock. There was a couple times that I was using it that the blade would actually come down when I was using it. But I have pushed this thing a few times and I think it just needs to wear off something, maybe some paint or something on the end of it. And now it seems to be locking okay. All in all, I mean, it's a decent knife. It's got a decent looking design to it. It's got a serrated portion of the blade. The blade comes very sharp, cuts well. So I don't really have any complaints for it. Like I said, other than this little locking mechanism, if you're not careful, you could cut yourself because it wasn't locking in the beginning. But like I said, now every time I pop it open, it's locking fine. But yes, if you want to lock or unlock this knife, it's not like the old school ones where you push the little button. It's comfortable in the pocket. It's not bulky. It's got a good weight to it. It seems hefty enough to be significant, but not heavy in the pocket. Yeah, I mean, all in all, it's been a decent knife. So I would probably give this 4 out of 5 stars, mainly because of the locking mechanism. Maybe some quality control needs to go into that better. But other than that, it's been pretty good. I'm going to put a link down in the description to this item on Amazon if you guys want to check it out. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. It's that red button right below the video. And let me know what you think. I'll give you an update later, let you know how long the blade holds its edge and how well it sharpens. All right, thank you very much, everyone. Y'all take care, and I will see you soon.